Hi, my name is Taylor Darcy with Darcy Law. I am a small business startup and entrepreneur attorney. I work with them to help them succeed by creating strong legal foundations. Today, we're going to talk about what is a registered agent of an LLC or a corporation in this instance. So, a LLC or corporation, they don't actually have a body, right? They don't have a way of knowing who owns what. Now, a registered agent is someone who is over the age of 18 that can accept what is called service of process. So, if a company is being sued, they need to know who is going to receive service on behalf of the company. Now, that can be another individual. It can be someone, a member, or a someone that's in close proximity to the corporation or LLC, or it can be another corporation entirely. Uh, there are corporations out there that's their job, and you pay a certain amount per year for them to have it. And this is important in the case of, say, you have a foreign business entity that you want to register in California, right? Who is going to accept service of process on behalf of the corporation or LLC within California? Well, that's where either an individual, sometimes attorneys will offer that as part of their service, or a company will do it for a fee. And what this allows to happen is, in the case that your LLC or corporation is sued, there is a physical human being that can accept those court documents on behalf of the corporation. Now, this is important. In fact, I ran into a case of there was a client that I was working for, and their registered agent, I sent them the court documents that were required. They were personally served, and they never told, allegedly, this is all, based on what happened. They never told their client for like a month. And so we had already sued them, and they're like, well, we didn't even know you were going to do it. And yet I'm sure it was sketchy. But the point is that it's important that you pick a registered agent that's going to respond to a lawsuit quickly and efficiently, because you actually only have 30 days to respond to a lawsuit. So that's a simple version of what a registered agent is. It's important that it's somebody that's available during normal business hours. That's very key. If they're not available, so if it's your mom, and I'm not saying you can't do that, but I wouldn't recommend it. If it's your mom and she goes out of town a lot, that might not be the best choice. You can always have someone that's a member, or like a person in charge, like a chief executive officer, that type of person that can receive that service of process. You can do that absolutely, but it needs to be somebody that can be served that regularly. If I was an in-house counsel for somebody, you could make that person the registered agent, accept service. In fact, that's probably the best choice, right? Because I would be able to respond as quick as possible and not worry about lapsing that 30 days. If anybody has any questions about a registered agent, who can be it, feel free to drop it in the comments below. I'd be more than happy to talk with you about this. Find me on LinkedIn, Twitter, subscribe. Love to help you. Hope you're having a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.